Feliz Navidad, ah, 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 ah. Feliz Navidad, da, 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 da. Feliz Navidad, felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Welcome to Peace Diaries. I wish you Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year from me to you. I don't know how this video is going to be, but I'm going to show you guys the clips of everything that I've been doing prior to Christmas or up till now, and maybe after Christmas. I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to compile or combine all these things, but we'll see how it goes. So on this day, I decided to style my wig because I planned on having a Christmas photo shoot. The canvas, the hair, the accessories, and the conditioner, I got them from Nigeria about 15 months ago. So while coming to UK from Nigeria, I made sure I packed lots of wigs, lots of attachments, lots of weave on, and even my styling tool. I make my hair myself, I make my siblings' hair, I make my children's hair. So this is the final look. On the same day, I decided to prep my chicken. I started with my marinade. I blended onions, pepper, garlic, ginger, rosemary, and fresh thyme. After I blended them together, I separated my chicken according to their size and what I needed them for. For example, this one I'm marinating now. I needed it to make the KFC crispy chicken. So I added also apart from the marinade, I added salt, pepper, bouillon cube, and then I put it into the Ziploc bag for each marinade for about 48 hours because this was on the 22nd. Then the second part was the chicken thigh and the lap. This one I grilled it. I added the marinade, pepper, salt, and soya spice because I was to grill this. After adding it, I mixed everything together. Mix, and then I covered with a clean film. Then I proceeded to the third batch of the chicken that I needed to marinate, and then I added the marinade. This is one I plan to cook, and then use the stock to cook my fried rice. That fried rice was so I added pepper, salt, another ingredient, and then I mix, and then put in the fridge. Then I proceeded to make my toddler's Christmas hair. Look at how she's glowing. That same day, I decided to be Mama Christmas. I wrapped my Christmas gift for my husband and my daughter. Don't ask me where my gift was because Father Christmas does not gift himself. So this is me wrapping the gift to gift my loved ones. Wrap, and we are done wrapping. These are all the gifts I wrapped. And then the decoration, I decorated the Christmas tree. I decorated the home myself. The Christmas tree was gifted. The bubbles were gifted. I didn't have to buy any of them. I only had to buy I forgot what they call them. Those ones on the mirror side, and then the one by the wall. I got them myself. I had to think outside the box. I didn't have the sheet for the bottom of the tree, and then the Merry Christmas was designed by me. I bought the Merry Christmas and then the Christmas light. We had to decorate our house for Christmas, and thankfully it came out nice. Some of the Christmas decorations were from last year, and I just got few things like the Christmas lights, the Christmas oh gosh, I've forgotten the name. Then I proceeded to paint my nails because the next day or that same day we planned on taking our pictures because the next day will be very busy and I needed to edit the pictures before posting on Christmas Day, right? So that same day we took our picture. Yes, that thing I'm showing you guys was I planned on fixing my nails with glue, but that glue was dry, so I had to paint my nails. Then I decided to this was in the night. I had to do my makeup and put on my wig. Yeah, makeup by yours truly, Peace Diaries. Yeah, we've been doing this for ages, for years. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Nice sharp eyebrow. And then I had my powder, my makeup, and then my earrings, and then my Christmas pajamas, because this was already in the night. We had to take the picture by this time so that I can edit and post on Christmas Day, right? It was not easy, but we pulled that through. This is me applying my eyeliner. When this thing it makes you teary. Don't know who sent me message, but if you're a pro, you're a pro. And then the transition. I not try for this transition. I didn't even know the angle I was going, but it is what it is. And then the day of the photo shoot. This was stressful. So we were singing so many lovely Christmas pictures. Oh, I love this. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me two turtle dove and a pear tree in the pear tree. Yes, and Christmas, my true love sent to me three French hens, two turtle dove and a partridge in a pear. And then on Christmas Day, before we went for the Christmas service, I had to cook my chicken, fry the ones I could fry, grill the ones I could grill before we proceeded to the Christmas service. And this is me going to church on a Christmas Day. And then this is the service, Madam there sitting on the floor playing. And then we came back home. See our sneakers now. For now, I want to cook fried rice. This is what I got from Sainsbury's. I want to try it. This is the first time I'm making this recipe. Fingers crossed, I hope it comes out nice. So guys, how are you enjoying your Christmas? How did you celebrate your Christmas? Because I know that by the time this video is out, Christmas would be over. Let me know, did you go out? Did you travel? Did you visit friends? Or you stayed at home like me? It's not easy celebrating Christmas away from home. The feeling is different. Can you imagine now? I'm the only one having to cook. I've prepped what I would cook since 2 days ago. And it's still a lot. I still have a lot to do. But if I was back home, I have my siblings, my mommy, my in-laws, everybody will join us together and cook. It's always interesting cooking. Cooking as a family. But I'm out for myself. As you are here, we would have to enjoy the moment, right? So I have my own family, so I have to cook for them. I have to cook for them and enjoy the Christmas. Let me start cooking. Motivation has come. See you guys. Enjoy the video. Leave your comment. So I got this outfit for me and my family. I'm wearing, putting them on. If you are following my status, you see that I have already posted a Christmas outfit. I got this. This is my first time celebrating Christmas with a PJ. We are growing. I don't think I'm going to do this again because the stress of having to snap picture and make content. Oh my! I prefer doing a silent Christmas, like not needing to snap pictures, do paparazzi, just cook with my family and eat. The paparazzi was too much. I don't think I'm going to do this again. Unless I have someone that will help me. Probably next time Someone will have to ginger me to do this, to snap family picture with pajamas and the rest of all those paparazzi they used to do. If not, I'll just do my Christmas silently. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. You know, that's how the Christmas is gonna be. Guys, I'm trying this recipe for the first time. I hope it comes out nice. Let me not go and waste my chicken stock and everything, and then when I cook finish, the rice will not come out well. This Christmas is not Christmas, so oh God. And it's time to cook the fried rice. I started by washing the basmati rice. I washed it the first time, drain out the water, wash it the second time, drain out the water, wash it the third time, and then I brought my butter. This is salted butter I used to making the fried rice. I just cut just a bit for the fried rice. I placed it on my hot cooking pot, and then I added some groundnut oil, and then when the oil was hot, I poured in the washed basmati rice, stir, and then I added my seasoning cube, salt, pepper, thyme, and then my chicken stock. After adding the chicken stock, I mixed them together. Mix, and mix them to combine, and then I poured water and then cover the pot for it to cook. After the rice has cooked for about 8 minutes, I brought it down. I fried my vegetable, mixed it with the rice, and then proceeded to prepare my coleslaw or salad. So I put my mayonnaise in the plate, added a little sugar, added a little vinegar, and then I mix. After mixing, I then poured in my salad, and this is the final product of the fried rice, the chicken, and the salad. Thanks for watching.